Hi Kickstarter, my name is Pragnya and I'm the engineering head of Muse Wearables. Most of us wear different kinds of watches and wearables every day. But when we looked at them carefully, we found 4 important problems. On one hand, we have smartwatches that are ugly and have a very poor battery life, making people quickly lose interest in them. On the other hand, we have watches made by traditional watchmakers that are too expensive and have very limited functionality. With the Muse Watch, we set out to spark a revolution in the smartwatch industry by creating the eloquently designed, extremely functional and immersive smartwatches with a battery life of 1 whole year.
With our smart controls, you can perform actions like snoozing, sleep alarms, calls, event reminders, and more with the single press of a button. Muse watches can recognize and track various activities and display your progress. Our near-field communication technology lets you make payments by simply bringing your watch in proximity of payment terminals. You don't even need internet or battery to use this. Now, forget worrying about the harmful UV rays. The Muse watch also detects UV rays and alerts you as soon as they reach harmful levels. And never ever experience loss of your phone with our Forgot Phone feature. The watch syncs with our in-house Muse App, available on both iOS and Android. Its conversational chat interface doesn't just give you numbers and graphs, but acts as your personal assistant and coach by providing smart suggestions and recommendations on how to achieve your goals, so that you can become a better individual. Unlike any other smart wearable, we bring you a battery life of 12 months, while you enjoy all these features. We made all this possible with our patent-pending smart movement technology that integrates Swiss micromotors with smart electronics in a compact footprint. This smart movement is placed in an elegant watch case with an exquisite watch dial and mechanical hands to form a one-of-a-kind Muse Luxury Hybrid Smartwatch. Our sapphire-coated mineral glass ensures great quality and strength to each timepiece, and our genuine Italian leather straps ensure the best fit and comfort possible to you. With such an amalgamation of smart function of modern technology with traditional elements of classic horology, we converted the chrono subdial of a watch to an activity meter and the date window to a notification window, while maintaining the stunning looks.
We wanted Muse Watch to appeal to everyone and be an exclusive product. So we designed 2 distinct watch collections, Muse Grandeur and Muse Minimo. They come with 16 sub-varieties of designs, each with a limited number of 2,182 watches. To get your Muse watch at a discounted price, click on the green button that says Back this project. Join us today to revolutionize the watch industry and to take it to the next level. We wanted to create fun and immersive experiences for our users, so we created the Planet Watch game.
Planet Watch is a mobile strategy game that can be played along with the Muse Watch. As Muse Watch automatically tracks your daily activities, rewards are generated within the game. Use the in-game resources to protect your base and to destroy your enemy. Compete with your friends and family and have fun working on your goals.
We're building the Muse Watch and the Planet Watch game to create affordable innovations for our users. Join our community by backing our project. And the best part is, we'll all build it together.